styrofoam board, windows. All right. Right there. All right. Alrighty, so what I'm doing here is I'm taking this styrofoam board and making window covers for when I go truck camping. Because actual curtains cost a lot of money. And this is supposed to be a budget build. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to do this. Who texted me? My cousin. Ah, no. Okay, that's not so bad. The first one's a little rough, but okay, we can cut this little notch out here, like that, and then our second one. Okay, so we need to leave a little on the top. And then maybe just a little on the side. And then the cutout. Alright. So this is a new one. Gonna go fit it, dry fit it. We're gonna try and trim the edge a little bit like this. That. We're gonna trim the bottom off maybe an inch. There we go. Damn, it almost fits. I'm gonna cut that off just a tiny bit. And then, ah, fuck. Cut a little bit of notch off. perfect. This one here, I'm going to have to like put some black tape or something around the edge, which is no big deal. I'm fine with doing that. But yeah, now we just have the back window to do. And let's get to it real quick. Knock this out. All right, back window. Let me go. Am I able to lay these sheets down? I don't think so. Okay. So what I plan to do here, my blade fell out. Ow! Fuck. Okay. So now I can do this. Okay. So now I can transfer this line. That's okay. So this is cut like at an angle. More of an angle. All right, so now that we got this cut out to over here, we're just gonna trace it. Because nothing bad can come from just tracing and not actually cutting, right? Ouch. Alright, so it's not perfect. There's a little gap in the center. These just aren't wide enough. Or I could have left some on, but for the most part, this is pretty good. Now I'm going to have to get some curtains for the front, like just some fabric. But I don't want to do that for the back windows because this just looks a little better. And I'm going to get out and see what it looks like from the outside. It just freaking looks like tent. Like nothing's even in the window. Alright guys, and that's how you install styrofoam board as window covers for your truck camping setup. And the best part about this is they just come right out. And you can store behind your seat. Should be unlocked. Nope. We go, boys. Oh, throw this in the back seat. Alrighty, boys and girls, we are headed off about an hour north to potentially go get a camper top for this thing. That was not on my bingo card for this week, but that may be happening. So yeah, I'm heading up the road now. We're gonna be driving for about 45 minutes to an hour, and hopefully this camper top is here and fits this truck. I'm going by myself. I have no help. I might have someone, but that'd be kind of awkward because I can't record a video then because I'm super awkward about recording in front of family and stuff. But anyhow, we're heading up to try and get this camper top. There's 3 camper tops that are available. They're all for short beds, he said. And it's just like an old business. And No one's there. It's just, he said, go pick it up, whatever, take it. And that's what we're going to do. Hopefully one is still there and it still fits this thing. Alrighty guys, so we are about a mile, 5 miles away, 1 mile to our exit. So we're there. So a little update, there was 3 available, and the dude updated the Facebook listing thing, and luckily it was one of the ones I didn't want. It was the one in the worst condition. So yeah, hopefully the white one is still there. Hopefully I can get it to fit, because I don't think it's meant for this truck, but it's a 6.5 foot it's a 6.5 foot camper top, or whatever you want to call it. So in theory it should fit. So as I was at the red light there, a guy pulled up next to me and a truck was like sitting kind of farther back, and I saw him looking at my phone, recording me. On a Miata. I love to have a Miata, or some type of little sports car like that are super reliable and easy to mod, and plenty of mods out there for it. Oh shoot. Hey.
How you doing?
So the camper top's good to go?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, just making sure. Alrighty, I'll back it up there. Appreciate it. Thank you. I don't think the white one's gonna work. That's the one I wanted. Oh, pretty sure the blue one, or the other one, but that's probably take this off. Yeah. I think I'm gonna measure it real quick again to make sure, but yeah.
Well, let me know when it's ready. I'll help you load it up. It's heavy as hell.
All right, cool. Thank you. Oh, I didn't have a nut in that one. A little chilly out.
It is. I've had enough of it already.
How I was gonna do that.
Grab in the middle here.
Got it. Going your way. Huh.
Well, hell, perfect.
Fits like a charm.
Hell yeah, buddy.
Appreciate it.
No problem. I'm glad you get it out of here.
Yeah, I've been looking for one, and
That fit perfect.
I don't know. I thought it was gonna be maybe an inch too long, but
Yeah, that's locked right into place.
yeah, I think it was meant for it.
Yeah, that's it.
It kind of matches. I mean, you look at it the wrong way, it's kind
I mean,
of
it kind of has a black look to it.
yeah.
No, definitely.
But all right, appreciate it.
Hey, I'm glad I could help.
No problem.
It helps me by getting it out of here.
Yeah, you don't have to store it.
Yeah, I got stuck with them. They were going to go to the dump.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm not,
I was wanting the white one. It's a little taller, but it's there. Jesus. Backpack. All right. I'm gonna go secure this big place. Actually, no, I got a better idea. How did these get so tangled? They just sat in there. That's so annoying. Good thing I brought a knife. Alright. God damn. Alright. Show you better look when we get home. Alright. Camper top. Alrighty guys, and that is all there. That's the camper top acquired, dude. Looks freaking good too. It literally slid on and fit perfect, like it was made for this truck. I'm pretty sure it came off of something similar, because this is like a nice Lear top. I mean, it's faded paint and stuff, but we can patch that up and get it either color matched or any other numerous colors, black, gray, you know, we could paint it whatever color we want. Bumblebee. I don't know where he went. measure. So we need a height of 16 inches. We need 10 16-inch pieces. We can use a jigsaw. It's a little safer. Okay. Huh. She don't work. I need a new. What do you call this? What do you call this? Jigsaw. Never cut lumber like this. I don't think I need that many. Let me go get some tools. There's my knife. My phone fell. We need a hex bit. T25. Okay. The flattest end there. Okay, so we want like this. 16, 16. This. I'm gonna start them, get them all ready. Ow. That one's almost dead too. It's a little hot. There we go. There we go. And that feels much better. I need to measure the distance from here to here. We'll go with 56 inches. Let's see, is it 56 inches? It is. Sweet. 56. We'll turn this around. Go here. Alright, we got 56 inches. 56 inches divided by 4 is 1 every 14 inches. So we got 1 here. Oh, that's not right. I think I'm going to go 20. One at the beginning, 1 at 20, 1 at 40. We'll do 16 or 20, 20 and 40. That's what we'll do. No, 20 and 38. Yeah, that's what we'll do. 20 and 48 or 38. Whatever this mark is right here. And 20. Like that. Wait. Now I can start attaching these. Looks like a weird spider. Okay. That is done there. Let me see. If these fit. Ooh, like almost. That's unfortunate. I mean, those ones do kind of fit there. Not really. Oh, forgot a second screw here. It does fit. Oh yeah. Alrighty. So that's in there. So basically what I'm going to do now is going to be a sheet of plywood over top this, and then a 4-inch foam mattress. Alrighty. So today while I was out, I went and got phone holders. We got this one, and we got this one, and we got this one. Bang. Also, the screw fell off my holder, so nope. And there went the other one. Wonderful. Okay, whatever that is. Put it over there. Okie dokie. Alright. Perfect. Okay. That one just needs trim. Ouch. Okay. Cool. There we go. Oh. Whoops. $21. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do actually. Get this. Okay. That. There we go. Fits like a charm. Alright, next one is gonna be about 17 and a half. Ow! You got me. That fits like a charm. Okay, final piece. There you have it, platform bed. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and test this back here. Luckily I got a sheet so I don't have to go in the house and get anything. Hop on up here. Oh God. Well, I'm leaning a bit. This way because the truck's sitting like this, and ouch. And it's hard as hell because it's plywood. But other than that, once I get a foam topper and put on here, it's gonna be pretty freaking good, dude. It's a little narrow. I wish I'd made it about 2 inches wider, but lesson learned. If I wanted to, I could have a 2x4 piece here, and then a little brace from here to here, and that'd support it just fine. But yeah, this is sturdy as hell, even though it doesn't look the best. I think I'm gonna attach brackets, or not brackets, hinges here for these. Otherwise, I might drill holes and just put bolts through so they don't move. Honestly, that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drill holes and just put bolts. That way they can not move, and then I can have access to storage underneath a little bit. This plywood is very awkward, so I'm gonna just cut this. And that way it's easier to carry. That's not awkward. Hey guys, Editing Wesley here, checking in real quick. I know I didn't get to end the video kind of in the filming process, but that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. I know it's kind of a long one, but I know some people like that type of stuff. So yeah, that's the truck build so far. I'll keep you guys updated on any other stuff I do, and get ready for our next trucking adventure here next week. And I'll see you guys there. If you guys like, be sure to click the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next adventure, guys. Peace out.